The way I understand it, this is the only farm that's left in existence that the land was acquired from King George III of England. The original deed was on a sheepskin deed, my dad said. The farm dates back to 1772. Well, I guess I'd be 250, just a little bit older than me. I was born here, actually born here on the farm in the other old house, and I have never left here. I raise Charolais cattle. We raise corn, soybeans, and hay. I own about 600 acres. My son farms with me. I guess it's just in my blood. It's kind of all I've ever known. It's all I've ever wanted to do. And you know, I hear people say, oh, I hate my job, I hate my job. And it's hard for me to understand how that could be because I enjoy every day here. The original house was a log house that stood right here close, and it burned in the early 1800s. The family quarried out rock here on the farm. The other house was built out of limestone rock. The walls was like 18 inches thick. They said it took them 6 weeks with a 4-horse team and wagon to haul all the rock to build the house. It's just a part of life, and you know, there's been a lot of changes through the years. I hope it goes on, continues on. My son, he's the 8th generation, and he's got 2 boys. It's the 9th. So I hope it continues on.